Good morning everybody and welcome to day 2 of Countdown to Christmas with JWH Millinery. So thank you to everybody who watched yesterday's video. It's very much appreciated, and yeah, we are cracking on with day 2. So we have and when I was wrapping all these and decorating them, I actually got these from the pound store, Poundland. So I think actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that off and I'm going to use this. So what do we have in day 2? It's upside down. We have, Crin. So we have some 6-inch Crin in black from JWH Millinery, which, as everybody knows, is my favourite millinery supply store. So yeah, day 2, Crin. So far we have the yellow fabric with the pleather effect on, and we also have the black Crin. So that's a good look together. Let's see what we get later on in the month. So the question of the day today is, how do you make percher fascinators by Vince.B.Dapper? Apologies if I've pronounced your name wrong. So percher fascinators, simple. I have a video on this, so I will link that in the description here somewhere. The little eye, just click on that and it will take you to that video. Like I say, I haven't had any training with perchers. I've just figured that one out myself, so I did get a little bit of people going, that's not a correct percher fascinator, or whatever. This is how I do it. So yeah, another short, quick and easy video. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We are uploading every day in December, so join us on this journey as we go through this millinery calendar. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 8 o'clock UK time. Bye. Bye.